In this video, we're going to look at how to make money with Remitano NGNR. Now, I've talked about Remitano quite a number of times on this channel as one of the biggest P2P exchange here in Nigeria. Remitano is launching an NGNR agent program. The goal is to recruit agents in various countries to assist in the processing of Naira transaction on the platform. Agents will also give feedback to Remitano, and they will promote the use of the NGNR. If you become an agent, you can earn up to $1,000 every month. Now, let's look at what NGNR means, what a Remitano NGNR agent does, what the requirement for becoming an agent is, and why you should consider becoming a Remitano NGNR agent. Let's get to it. NGNR is the tokenized version of the Nigerian Naira on the Remitano platform. The NGNR was created by the Remitano system and pegged at 1:1 ratio to the Naira. That is, 1 NGNR is equals to 1 Naira. This is just like stable coins like USDT, BUSD, DAI that are pegged to the dollar. An NGNR agent is someone who processes the deposits and withdrawal of NGNR on the Remitano platform. To be eligible to become a Remitano NGNR agent, the applicant must meet the following criteria. You must be over 18 years of age, you must have traded on Remitano for at least 6 months, and you should have multiple bank accounts in your country of residency. As an agent, when you process NGNR transactions, Remitano will reward you with commissions from the profits. Note, however, that every Remitano user can create adverts and earn monthly from NGNR transaction. But the added advantage that NGNR agents get is that they can earn an additional $500 per month by completing agent tax. This means that you can earn up to $1,000 as an NGNR agent. Remitano, however, reserves the right to stop this additional bonus whenever they deem fit. Agents will also get the opportunity to collaborate with Remitano long term. To apply to become an agent, there's a link in the description. Just click on that link and you will see a form. You will put the necessary information and you submit. That is how you apply to become an agent. There's also a link in the description to show you how you can create an NGNR buy advert and an NGNR sell advert. So guys, this is the information I have for you today on how to make money by becoming a Remitano NGNR agent. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you have not, and click on that bell icon so you don't miss any of my updates. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.